Every digital device you use operates on an astonishingly simple mathematical pattern. Billions of calculations happen each second because of just two fundamental states, 0 or 1. This binary switch, a basic mathematical concept, secretly governs our entire technological world. The universe itself might be built from similar fundamental switches, dictating its very reality. At its core, all modern technology, from smartphones to supercomputers, speaks a language of two symbols. This isn't merely a technological choice. It's a profound mathematical pattern found throughout existence. Think of it as the ultimate minimalist code, allowing immense complexity from bare simplicity. We often overlook these foundational patterns, yet they shape nearly every interaction we experience daily. Understanding this switch pattern reveals a hidden layer of order beneath apparent chaos. It explains how seemingly random events can follow predictable, repeating cycles over time. This mathematical elegance underpins not just circuits, but even biological processes and natural phenomena. Imagine a universe where every decision, every change, is a simple flip of a numerical coin. These fundamental shifts dictate everything from light turning on to a complex biological cascade. They are the silent orchestrators, directing the symphony of life and technology around us. These hidden principles reveal a deep, interconnected intelligence woven into the fabric of reality itself. They show us how simple choices aggregate into the grand, complex narratives of our world. Consider a simple light switch. Either it is on, allowing current to flow, or it is off, blocking it. This basic duality, a binary choice, forms the bedrock of digital computation and information storage. Mathematicians and engineers use Boolean logic, translating physical on and off states into true and false values. These logical operations, like and, or, and not, combine simple switches to perform intricate tasks. An AND gate, for instance, only switches on if all its input switches are simultaneously on.
This fundamental principle allows microprocessors to execute billions of instructions every single second.
But that's not the strangest part. This switch pattern extends far beyond silicon circuits and human inventions. Principle naturel itself allows employs binary patterns, instructions dictating every single critical second, biological and physical transitions constantly. Think about DNA. Its genetic code relies on 4 nucleotide bases at specific points along its helix. Each base's presence or absence acts like a crucial switch, determining the sequence of proteins built. Consider also the phase changes of matter, like water transforming from liquid to solid ice. At a specific temperature, molecules suddenly switch their arrangement, locking into a rigid crystalline structure. This seemingly abrupt change is a dramatic example of a system reaching a critical threshold and flipping states. Wait until you hear how even more complex systems rely on these simple, underlying switches. Forest fires, for example, can spread rapidly if conditions like dryness and wind reach a certain on-state. Below that threshold, fire might smolder, but exceeding it causes an explosive, system-wide switch to active burning. The behavior of ant colonies demonstrates collective switching based on simple individual decisions. An ant either follows a pheromone trail or does not, individually a binary choice, collectively a complex pattern. Stock markets also exhibit switching behavior, with sudden shifts between bullish and bearish trends. These market flips occur when enough individual investors collectively switch their sentiment, impacting overall direction. Economists study these tipping points, trying to identify the critical switch that triggers market volatility. And then something unexpected happened. Even social phenomena follow these binary decision patterns. The adoption of new technologies often reaches a critical mass, then rapidly switches to widespread acceptance. Think about how suddenly everyone seemed to own a smartphone, moving from a niche product to an essential item. Each individual makes a binary choice to adopt or not, but the aggregate effect creates a system-wide transition. Even in physics, particles possess properties that are fundamentally binary, like spin, which is either up or down. Quantum mechanics describes particles existing in multiple states, until an observation switches them into a definite one. This inherent duality, these fundamental switches, are not just metaphors. They are the very fabric of reality. They represent a universal language, allowing simple interactions to generate incredible complexity and diversity. From the smallest subatomic particle to the vastness of the cosmos, switches define the very essence of change. Every shift, every evolution, Every moment of transformation can be understood as a series of these fundamental flips. Recognizing these pervasive mathematical switch patterns fundamentally changes how we perceive the world around us. It reveals an underlying order, a universal logic, connecting disparate phenomena across all scales of existence. This understanding allows scientists to model complex systems, from climate change to disease outbreaks, with greater accuracy. Identifying critical switch points helps researchers predict when systems might suddenly transition to new states. Imagine predicting an epidemic's tipping point, or understanding when a social movement will gain unstoppable momentum. Engineers leverage these principles to design more robust and efficient technologies, from self-correcting software to advanced robotics.
Even in art and music, binary choices like presence or absence create compelling patterns and contrasts.
This mathematical insight empowers us to build more resilient systems and anticipate drastic changes more effectively. It's a powerful lens, allowing us to see the fundamental building blocks of decision and transformation everywhere. The elegance of two simple states, combining to create infinite possibilities, is truly mind-boggling to comprehend. This knowledge helps us appreciate the intricate dance between simplicity and complexity in our universe. It provides a framework for understanding how seemingly small changes can lead to monumental shifts in outcomes. From the flick of a light switch to the evolution of life, these patterns dictate every single transition. It mathematical truly illuminates the underpinnings of our hidden entire reality. Language of change that orchestrates everything we observe and experience. This universal pattern of switching is a testament to the elegant simplicity embedded within creation itself. Ultimately, the humble mathematical switch, a binary choice, is more than computer code. It's a fundamental governing principle. From the smallest particles to the grandest galaxies, this elegant duality orchestrates the universe's incredible transformations. It's a constant reminder that profound complexity often arises from surprisingly simple, repeating foundational elements. Recognizing these pervasive patterns truly unlocks a deeper understanding of the world's intricate workings. If you found this exploration of hidden mathematical patterns fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Hit the like button to support our journey of discovery, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What other unexpected mathematical patterns have you observed in your own everyday life?